So I found out that if you use two hands, you know, one going this direction, one going this direction, and you start undoing everything, hold your tools that you're going to need in hand, in your mouth, and realizing that you're going to, how much faster you're going to be of getting your job done because you're unscrewing one, screwing another one, or unscrewing both, and you ain't taking time to do one, then another, then another. You just really speed things up, you know, because, hey, I'm here working on my Cub Cadet again. It started 3 times for me and then quit. Don't know why. I got spark on the right side, no spark on the left. I switched the spark plugs. Spark's over here, but coil done over here. What I'm not sure of, and I'm going to go test that now, that's what I'm doing, is this little guy here. It's kind of sitting just right against the engine, I'm thinking, and that's why it was not doing it. So anyway, but I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Running on there really good, and see if I can, I guess you could put this up like this, right? Can you redo that up over here? Sure, why not? And that way you can plug it in over here. Plug it in this side, and upside down. And that way don't hit the engine, because your left is higher than your right, right? So, and then the other one here, well, you don't have that issue. It's the case, you know, the housing sits down lower. So I'm going to take all this into the household and double check, because most of the time they set these on like 20K ohms, I think it is, and then test them, or 200K, something like that. Anyway, I got to set mine up to 200K to even get a reading. I can set it on 20K for secondary, but the primary, I got to set it really high to even get a reading. I don't know if I goof something up trying to rewire. I don't know, but she's getting close to where I'm gonna go ahead and pack her up for the winter. I mean, I've just had issues left and right. I don't know. Trying to rewire it. Well, good thing I don't have any oil leak. Again, fired up 3 times. I think I posted a video on that. And then she just quit. She just stopped. I don't know. No, I'm having to charge the battery. We'll see what I feel like this weekend. If I feel like doing anything, we'll see. All right. Bye.